Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the TikTok app, so open it and make sure you're on the right account. Otherwise, you'll check the wrong history. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to reveal settings and privacy. This step matters because the watch history control is tucked under account controls. Make sure your app is updated. If you don't see the menu, force close and reopen to ensure the interface is current. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll to Content and Activity, then select Watch History. This is where TikTok stores a list of recently viewed videos when the feature is enabled. You'll see thumbnails and timestamps. Tap any item to reopen the video, save it to favorites, or follow the creator if you want to see more. If you want to search within results, use the creator's name or keywords once the video opens. To finish, manage history by using Clear to remove entries or pause to stop future logging. These controls live on the Watch History page. Turning the feature on or off changes whether TikTok will keep a record, so toggle it based on privacy needs. If you don't see Watch History, make sure the app is updated, clear the app cache, or reinstall. This resolves most visibility issues. If problems persist, test on another device to determine if it's account versus device specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.